Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Xbox Live Gamer Tag and Rockstar Social Club are ready. Sign into the same Microsoft account on Xbox One and Series X. This ensures cloud sync. Next, verify your GTA Online character is linked to a social club email. This is the key identifier. If you use two-step verification, keep your code handy. Once done, power both consoles, connect them to the internet, and open GTA V on the Xbox One to begin the transfer process. You continue by loading GTA V on your Xbox One and immediately entering GTA Online. This accesses the character transfer flow. Open the pause menu, go to Online, then Character Select and choose Move Character. The game will ask which platform you want to move to. Select Xbox Series X and confirm the social club account that holds your character. Make sure you read the warnings. Transfers can be one-time and may overwrite progress. Once you confirm, the system queues the transfer and uploads your character to cloud storage. You finish by launching GTA V on your Xbox Series X after the upload finishes. Sign into the identical social club account, then access GTA Online and select the transferred character to download. If you don't see it, make sure Cloud Saves finished uploading on the Xbox One and that both consoles are online. If the transfer fails, restart both consoles, re-authenticate your Microsoft and Social Club accounts, and retry. As a troubleshooting tip, check Xbox Live Service status and reconnect your Social Club link before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.